All right, guys. Well, starting to get the coupler on. Got it all together.
Do you like your bang bang, sir?
Box is here. Bobby wanted me to point out.
Oh, that prop valve.
Says brake valve adjusting. What is?
Portioning valve.
Portioning valve. There we go. I knew that's what it was. Absolutely gross. So luckily, depending on what the owners want to do, we can get to it pretty easily still with the box in. So hopefully we'll find out within the next week or two. And we got creepers. They're in jail.
Hey, you're in jail.
Yeah, something like that. All right, guys. Well, next video we'll show
Here's a hammer.
things in. All right, later.
And in a rare instance, we see, woo, he's enraged. We see the rare Burnsius Apius in the cage of Tiberius.
I can get him right in the balls.
Oh no, he's gonna throw a hammer.
That's hot.
I'm gonna send this to Riley.
Should.
Box in, Pitman arm on. Now you just gotta tighten the nut and put the pin in it, big boy. Woo! And then wheels, and it's a roller again.
Yep.
Woohoo!
Tell me the right size for that, please.
Yes, dear. Look at that.